Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia 5.4 and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification and find the Do Not Disturb mode, which for me is right over here. Once you find it, hold the toggle and this will take us to the settings where you can quickly customize how it works. So starting off, we have calls and messages, so we can allow who can message and call us. Both of them have the same options, apart from the calls having check right here. So this is the only thing that calls has extra. So this option right here allows people to call you. If they call twice within a 15-minute period, they will completely bypass the allow calls. Basically, if we say don't allow any calls, and you have this checked on, if someone calls twice, they will completely bypass that option and still call you no matter. So that is the only difference. And as you've seen by tapping on it, we have the allow calls from anyone, contacts, favorites, and no one. And same thing goes for messages. They have the same options. So below that we have restrict notifications. So you can select what kind of notifications are visible during Do Not Disturb mode. We have also duration. From here you can change it, for instance, to ask every time, which is, in my opinion, one of the better options. So what that does is when you actually tap on the toggle, it will bring up this window every time, and from here you can add hours if you want to go for like timed one, or you can select until you turn it off and basically turn it on and then off yourself. If you would select right here, for instance, for 2 hours, like so, and you tap on the toggle, it just kind of goes automatically for the 2 hours and never gives you the option again. So that's why I would advise you on sticking with this one. And then below that we have a schedule. So here you can obviously set a schedule. So the Do Not Disturb mode starts and stops automatically at each given day of the week and time. And once you basically have set it up, you can simply toggle it on and off from here if you want to, or well, you can rely on the scheduled one. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.